Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by granting permissions and getting into position. Open the updated Wi-Fi password Show Wi-Fi Scan app now. Allow location and nearby device access when prompted. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled in your device settings and that you are within range of the access point you want to inspect. You should see scanning begin automatically. If it does not, tap Scan. This primes the app to read network beacons and collect the data the next steps will parse. You now run the scan and examine results. Tap Scan and watch the list populate with SSIDs, channels, signal strength, and encryption types. Stronger signals appear first. Once the target SSID is visible, select it to show stored credentials or the key derivation options the app offers. Make sure to use the filter or refresh control if many networks crowd the list or if the SSID is hidden. This step extracts the exact fields you need for connection or verification. You finish by connecting and verifying the network. Enter the displayed password into your Wi-Fi settings and confirm you can browse, check speed, or ping to validate performance. If it fails, make sure encryption types match and that you selected the correct APMAC. Similar SSIDs can mislead you. As a troubleshooting tip, restart Wi-Fi, rescan, and clear the app cache if problems persist. If permissions were changed, re-enable location and nearby device access and try the scan again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.